Asham Fluid Power Company Limited
was established in 1984. We have been committed in the production of all sorts of hydraulic cylinders and pneumatic cylinders ever since. We also manufacture various kinds of hydraulic valves, magnetic valves, pneumatic valves, and pneumatic hydraulic spare parts. In the year 1999, we were certified by ISO 9001, 2000 quality system. In the year 2002, we became the only supplier of the hydraulic cylinders to Japanese Kayaba-Ez company from Taiwan. Subsequently, we collaborated with American customers and supplied at least one container per month for export and successfully reached out to European markets. In the year 2005, we introduced Enterprise Resources Planning System, ERP, and Product Data Management System, PDM. In the year 2008, the management team was reorganized. The new plant was set up for engaging in automated paint baking and welding production line and proceeded all-sided market deployment.